Today we are talking about a delicious and healthy way to boost your immunity: juice of yam and orange. Yams are not only delicious, but also highly nutritious, offering a wide range of health benefits. Yams are a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, manganese, and fiber. Oranges are not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with essential nutrients, making them a healthy addition to your diet. Oranges are famous for their high vitamin C content. When combined, these two ingredients create a power full, immunity-boosting juice that's easy to make and delicious to drink. Sure, here's a simple recipe for a refreshing yam and orange juice. Ingredients: 3 medium-sized yams, sweet potatoes, 2 large oranges, 1 cup cold water, ice cubes, honey. Instructions: peel and chop the yams. Peel the oranges and remove any seeds. Cut them into segments. In a blender, add the chopped yams and orange segments. Add the cold water to the blender to help with the blending process. If you prefer a sweeter juice, you can add a drizzle of honey. Blend all the ingredients together until you achieve a smooth consistency. If the mixture is too thick, you can add more water as needed. If desired, you can add some ice cubes to the blender to make the juice chilled and refreshing. Once the mixture is well blended, pour the yam and orange juice into glasses. You can garnish the glasses with a slice of orange or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious and nutritious yam and orange juice. This juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great choice for a healthy and refreshing drink. It's a wonderful way to incorporate yams into your diet and enjoy the natural sweetness of oranges. Cheers!